Newly appointed Director General of Police DGP Mukesh Singh made his maiden visit to Kangpokpi district, where he held meetings with district police officials, CRPF personnel and Kuki Zo civil society organizations to review prevailing law and order situation. Accompanied by ADGP Law and Order Larry Doji and other senior officers, the DGP was welcomed by Kuki Inpi Manipur KIM and other civil society leaders who submitted memorandum highlighting concerns related to security, protection of civilians, restoration of confidence among affected communities and impartial enforcement of law. During the visit, Mukesh Singh chaired review meeting with district police officers attended by ADGP training Lunshe Kipgen, SP Kangpokpi Rahul Gupta and other officials, and also held discussions with CRPF officers on operational coordination and peace maintenance measures. The visit concluded with assurances of continued engagement between security agencies and civil society groups to strengthen peace, stability and public confidence in the district.